It's like I can't do no wrong.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reinstall your unit from start to finish. This method I'm going to be showing you guys is a method where you can take your wigs off and put them on every day, or you can just keep them on throughout the week. So this is the hair straight out of the box, really full, super bouncy. The body wave pattern is so pretty. The hair was soft, no tangles, no shedding, and yeah, this is how the lace looks. The lace is a little light, it's giving more transparent, and the wig definitely looks like it comes pre-plucked, but you guys know I went ahead and did some more plucking. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that, definitely check that out in the description box below. So I definitely went ahead and washed the wig again and styled it. I put flexi rods in the wig the morning of restyling it, and later on I went ahead and put the wig on again. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and refit the wig just to see where I wanted to put it. You guys see I didn't do a ball cap method this time. You don't really have to, but you can if you would like. The lace blends pretty well with my skin, so I won't have to do too much to it. And these are the two options. A styling gel, I definitely prefer the liquid gold. And I just went ahead and slicked back my edges that were out of the wig cap. You have to do this so it doesn't get caught in the lace when you start to style it. Now that my edges are slicked back and out of the way, I went ahead and applied some styling gel to my forehead, well, in front of my hairline. I don't like to put it on my hair, but you can if you would like to. And I went ahead and started applying the wig. I also like to start in sections. If you're a beginner, I definitely suggest going in smaller sections, so this process is a little bit easier. So I moved the wig up into place where I wanted it, and then I just blow dried that area with cool air. It only takes a few seconds to dry, and then I just go section by section until the full wig is applied. There's one suggestion that I want to give you guys is to make sure you move all of the baby hair and stuff out of the way before you apply it. That's what I should have did beforehand, but I'm just using this comb and brush to get the hairs out of the way and putting mousse on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start applying the styling gel again. I made sure I applied the gel further back so I can go back and put more in the front of the lace. That will make the lace melt into your skin. So that's my suggestion for that. Put it a little bit further back just to get a foundation, and then go back in and put more near the front of the hairline. Now there's different methods to get a precise application to the front of the lace, but I decided to use the end of my tweezers. You can use a spatula, you can use the end of your comb, or whatever you have in hand. Using something that small will help you stay under the lace so you don't have much cleanup at the end. Also, make sure you guys clean off whatever tool you're using while applying your wig again, just so it doesn't leave a white cast or residue on your lace. Now this hold will last you a few days, but again, you guys can take this wig off at night And all you have to do in the morning is add water or some mousse to the hairline of the wig, tie it down, and you can apply it again. As you guys can see by doing this second round of applying the gel, the lace just melts right into my skin. I don't have to do anything extra as far as applying the wig. But right after I finish applying the rest of the wig, I'm going to show you guys how I get rid of that cast from the lace, because again, the lace was a little bit light on my skin. Now that the wig is applied, I'm going to take a shade darker of powder foundation and go around the edges of the lace. That will combat the lightness of it. And then I'm going to go in with a shade that's a little bit lighter just to make it my perfect color. You guys will see that once both are applied. And I know you guys can see the cap. Just trust the process. You guys are going to see how everything just blends together. If you already have a powder foundation that's the perfect skin tone, then definitely do that. But I don't have that, so I just made do with what I had and made it work. Okay, the last step is to apply mousse to the hairline of the wig. This part you have to move a little bit quick because the adhesive does start to lift once you apply water, like a water based. So I went ahead and did my mousse and quickly applied a hair tie around the lace. I just left this on until it dried. I didn't rub the mousse in or anything. I just let it dry on its own, and that's literally it, you guys. I didn't do any baby hair or anything on this wig because I didn't need to. The wig came out so pretty. It did so well. And now I'm just going to take out the flexi rods. I didn't put any product on the hair to get the waves to come back after washing the hair. I just left the flex rods in for a few hours, and this is how it came out. The only con I would say about this wig is where the hair is lightened, it does get a little bit frizzy. So if you guys have a hair serum, I definitely suggest applying that. To combat that, all I used was hairspray and fluff the hair out. I will show you guys that here in a second, but that's literally it, you guys. I just used the styling gel, hairspray, and some styling mousse. I know our lives can be a little bit busy, so I hope this method helps you guys out that have like a busy lifestyle and don't have time to apply messy glue and do all the extra stuff. This method definitely works for me. Every morning when I'm ready to go, I just wet the lace, tie it down for a few minutes, and then I'm out the door. Like, no lie, you guys. So this is the hairspray that I use to tame the flyaways. I just spray it all over the hair, smooth it out, and to get the wig more full and bouncy, I flip the wig over and spray the opposite side of the wig as well, and then just scratch it. So spray both sides, smooth it down, flip it over, spray, and you have full voluptuous body waves and curls. I also like the messy look, so I didn't smooth the hair down or tame it too much. If you guys want it to look uniform, definitely brush it and then do the hairspray. But I just went ahead and did the hairspray and used my hands to smooth what I wanted to. So that's pretty much all to this video. Lace is melted, super easy application. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.